LG TVs are consistent top performers in our best TV roundups, year after year. They're the most prolific manufacturer of OLED, organic light emitting diode, TVs, and they're fantastic at making them. Even as other companies join the OLED game, LG still offers the widest selection at the lowest price points, alongside a solid crop of more traditional LED TVs. For most people, the best LG TV you can buy is the LG C3, available at Amazon. It's not their fanciest model, but it gets you nearly the exact same impeccable picture quality at a more practical price tag than their high-end LG G3. Number 1. LG C3. With its incredible picture quality and extensive selection of A.V. and gaming-related features, the LG C3 OLED is our pick for the best LG TV for most people. Like its predecessor, the C3 pairs picture-perfect black levels with punchy highlights and rich, voluminous color. It's brighter than the C2, but only by a hair, due to new picture processing enhancements that manage light output. The C3 is at its best when displaying HDR content, covering an impressive 99% of the HDR color gamut, DCI-P3, and doling out highlights as bright as 800 nits. Picture purists will appreciate the TV's out-of-the-box accuracy and Dolby Vision support, and everyone in the room will appreciate the C3's remarkably wide viewing angles, a hallmark of OLED displays. Number 2. LG G3. The G3 OLED is one of the best TVs LG has ever made, thanks in part to its unique micro lens array, MLA, panel technology. This special hardware allows the G3 to produce peak white highlights at brightness levels on par with QD OLED TVs. When you put those highlights alongside perfect black levels, magic things happen to the picture. Like its predecessors, the G3 is designed to hang on the wall like a portrait. This means if you want to set up the G3 on a media console, you'll have to fork over an extra $150 to $200 for a compatible, first-party stand. If you wall mount the G3, however, you'll be treated to a work of art. There is no gap between the panel and the wall, and its metallic border calls to mind a fancy frame. Gaming enthusiasts will be thrilled to see a full suite of HDMI 2.1 inputs that support 4K gaming at 120Hz, AMD FreeSync Premium, G-Sync, and Auto Low Latency mode. Like all LG OLEDs, the G3 also offers Game Optimizer mode, a convenient set of enhancements to improve the experience from one game to the next. Number 3. LG G2. In strict performance terms, the LG G2 is the best LG OLED TV this year. It offers similar features and slightly better picture quality than the C2. However, the jump in price feels disproportionate to the improvements you get, making the C2 a better choice for most people. The G2 features OLED's typical deep black levels but combines them with incredibly bright highlights during HDR. This is its one big advantage over the C2, and makes it great for getting the most out of HDR10 and Dolby Vision content. It combines this with rich, voluminous color, covering about 99% of the extra-wide HDR color gamut, DCI-P3. It also features 4 HDMI 2.1 that support 4K gaming at 120Hz. It has auto low latency and variable refresh rate. It also has LG's Game Optimizer menu, keeping picture enhancements and frame rate info close at hand. That said, it has some drawbacks, including its price and the limited utility of its design. LG's G-series OLED models are intended to hang on the wall like a portrait. You can purchase a stand, but it wobbles concerningly and settles into a leaned-back position. Unless you're going to wall mount the G2, we recommend choosing the LG C2. Number 4. LG C2. The LG C2 was originally released in 2022, but you can still find great deals on this award-winning OLED TV. In HDR, the TV can produce specular highlights in the 700 to 800 nit range, and it covers about 97% of the HDR color space, DCI-P3. SDR content, like most cable broadcasts, also looks spectacular, though not as bright. HDR support includes Dolby Vision, a big draw for cinephiles. The C2 is also our favorite TV for gamers. All 4 inputs are full bandwidth HDMI 2.1, supporting 4K gaming at 120Hz, HZ. It comes with features for optimizing frame rate and reducing input lag, including auto low latency, ALLM, variable refresh rate, VRR, AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync. LG's Game Optimizer menu lets you toggle VRR and picture options, and keeps frame rate information handy while you play. Number 5. LG UQ7570. LG's AI technology takes your viewing experience to the next level. Experience the convenience of voice control through LG's integrated virtual assistant, making it easier than ever to navigate through channels, search for content, and control smart home devices, all with just your voice. Connectivity is key, and this LG Smart TV ensures you stay seamlessly connected to your devices. Multiple HDMI and USB ports allow you to effortlessly connect gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, soundbars, and more, enhancing the versatility of your entertainment setup. With the UQ7570 series, LG has crafted a TV that not only meets but exceeds the expectations of the modern viewer. From breathtaking visuals to intuitive controls and an array of smart features, this 4K smart TV is a testament to LG's commitment to delivering an unparalleled home entertainment experience.